Hi, this is Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors, and I'm excited to show you my newest listing here on 622 Las Lomas in Imperial. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath is over 1,700 square feet, turnkey ready, and the best part, no CFD taxes. I can't wait to give you a tour. Come on in, let me show you around. Thank you so much for touring this home with me. If you'd like to see it in person, I invite you to come to my open house this Wednesday, June 30th. I'll be here on site from 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock. Feel free to stop by. This home listed for $369,900.